Assalamualaikum. 27/10/2025. Bersamaan dengan 5 Jamidul Awal 1447 Hijrah. Kita dah sampai ke kandang dah. Kita dah jumpa dah. Grup yang kedua, division kedua, second division. Divide to kelompok ni terbagi kepada dua ni semalam. Semalam kita dah bagi dah siapkan. Dah petang semalam kita dah kumpulkan sekali. Pagi ni terpecah lagi. Ada motocross. Motocross ni. Something weird. Very, very weird. The scrambling. This particular person is very weird. He scamming army personnel division from the scam division, from the artillery division, scamming division. I need to know something from the ex-panglima about this guy. He didn't say something. Please set up. I need to know something. Okay? Okay. Tuan Panglima bersara, kita nak tahu sesuatu pasal ni artillery. Staff artillery regiment. Daripada regiment artillery tu lagi ni. Scamming ni. Kenapa pula dia scam kedai kopi punya, kita punya ni, kawan tenakan ni untuk pencen dia. Daripada unit scamming mana? National scamming mana? Army scammer mana? Scammer Army mana? Division mana? Bipolar ke? Socrative ke? Socratism ke? Apa benda ke? Kita nak tahu ni kan. Pelik sangat. Sebab dia halang saya hujan. Satu kereta saya. Something wrong somewhere. Okay? I need not something. We need to research. This is evidence. Criminology study. Okay? Thank you for watching. Enjoy my video. All my video. Thank you.